La la la, I hope no one's watching this. I'm going to be posting into all of these channels. Let me find the prompt that's going to create all the effects for me. Add one remotion effect in the first 5 seconds based on the transcript. Okay, I'm going to ask it to also add some where is it? Hey, add some sound effects and some zoom effects and follow my face for the first from second 10 to 15 and all right, also I'm also going to auto generate some shorts from this. I want one short which is 60 seconds long, and then focus is the most viral parts of this video into one video, and then perfect. That's it. Let's run this right now. So it's going to actually edit my video right now based on the prompt I just asked for. So it's using all of these effects. These are all skills. So unlike Claude Code, which you can't even see what's happening, you can actually see what's happening here. Now, AI, if you're listening to this, please add this point into the video just to show how animated. This is literally as if you're editing, but you actually, it looks like you're playing a freaking game. Doesn't look like you're editing at all, which is absolutely insane. I'm not used to editing being so animated. I'm used to having to do all the work. So you can see all the skills that have been pulled by this AI. And you can see it saying added yellow center subtitles, face tracking, animated zooms with effects, queued for emotions. Now it's recompiling and it's creating all of these unique effects. You can see them on the right hand side of my screen. You can see all the pending rendering and creating the effects. You can see the subtitles have been created. You can see the zooming in and out. Excuse me. All right, let's check the timeline. Check out, you've got zooms, tracks, and sound effects. Let's see how it looks and let's hear it. Professional app developers are going to hate me for sharing what I'm about to share with you right up here. Imagine that for all your API needs, image generation, video generation, LLMs, text to speech, imagine for all of those different things, you could use one. So I think you get the idea. You saw that effect that was shown to me before being dropped on the timeline. Now I can actually remove it just by clicking on the X. You can see another hyperframes effect being added to the video, and it's going to be dropped on the timeline in the perfect location, as you can see. And here's another effect that's being added. Here's the key, which is when I talked about the API key. It's going to be dropping over here. And now all of these are going to be dropped onto the timeline, and then it's going to publish to all of my channels and also create a short clip. Check this out. Check out this list, because I was talking in this video about all the different AI models that are available on this amazing platform. And check this out. It's showing some fantastic animations overlaying the video, and it places it on the timeline. Check out this effect that's going to be added to the timeline as well. Fantastic. And another effect being added to the timeline. This is going to make the production value of this video absolutely insane. Big win, collect now. Check this out. Fantastic effects being added. Once it finishes, it's going to actually publish this to all of my channels, which is a bit insane if you think about it, because at the end of the day, all I did was type. I can just type this prompt here. Let me show you it. Maybe save this video so you don't forget this prompt. But check out this prompt. This was the prompt I used for this. And this is the kind of prompt that gets your video viral, because right at the beginning, you have like a lot of effects. Oh, well, I was trying to show you something, and the app rudely disturbed me because it's publishing the video, as you can see at the bottom of my screen. Automation is publishing, and it's going to start publishing to all of my channels. Now, I have 5 YouTube, 3 TikTok, 3 Facebook, and 2 Instagram, and 1 X channel, and it's going to be publishing to all of them. And if you look, you'll actually see that the title and description is different for each and every channel, which basically means you have a lot of reach. Like, this is not spamming. This is extremely fair for somebody who has multiple channels and has a video that's relevant to all of those channels, that's going to be the perfect workflow. So as you can see, you can look at what's been happening. It's generated subtitles. It's also going to create 5 thumbnails so that it will then publish the video to YouTube with an amazing, incredible thumbnail. So this is like another no-brainer. So let's just wait for this all to happen. Let's go back in to see what's been happening. So as you can see, some of them are already loading. There's loading bars on some of them. All right, so you can see the pop-ups showing up here. At the bottom, right above my head, you can see it's publishing the 60-second short as well, because I requested for it to create a short as well. Let's actually view it just for a second, see what it did. I mean, apparently it made a short video. I guess you have to wait for it to be ready. Wait a few seconds, let's refresh it. Professional app developers are going to hate me for sharing what I'm about to share with you right up here. Imagine that for all your API needs, image generation, video generation, LLMs, text-to-speech, imagine for all of those different things, you could use one single API provider. Now, I told you developers are going to hate me for this, and I'm about to tell you what it's called. It's called Replicate. Now, some of the costs of using this are so cheap. It says like the price is $0.0000001 per use. Basically free. It's basically free. It will take you like 1 million uses. So follow me, guys, if you want me to help you build your perfect app, and if you always want to be updated with the latest AI. So that's the bottom line. What you're seeing here is that it's posting into all the channels a short clip first, and then it's after that it's gonna push the full version. The full video is going to also be pushed to all the channels. So it created a long form video and a short form video, and you just saw that, guys. You saw that in front of you. You saw all the way from the editing, adding effects, adding sound effects, adding zoom, adding follow the subject, adding sound effects. You even saw some sound effects. This is absolutely insane. Like, I just don't even know what to say. You guys need to get your hands on this app. Comment link and I'll send you the link to download this insane AI video editing app so that you yourself can start using this for free. It's free for a while. You just pay for an API key, and then it will literally you don't even need an API key. It's actually free to start using, and it will just work. Absolutely insane. See you in the next one.